Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by creating a GA4 property so data can flow. First, sign into Google and create a property. Choose name, time zone, and currency. Next, add a web data stream. This produces your measurement ID, which you must copy. Once done, decide whether to use GTag, JS, or Google Tag Manager to deploy the ID. Pick one now so you can move straight into code insertion on your site without delay. Now install the tag so visits are recorded. If you use GTag, JS, paste the global site tag into every page head, replacing GXXXX with your measurement ID. This sends page view events automatically. If you prefer Google Tag Manager, create a GA4 configuration tag and publish the container. This is cleaner for multiple tags. Make sure enhanced measurement is enabled in the stream so scrolls and outbound clicks are captured. And configure consent if your site needs cookie control. Finish by verifying that data arrives and by defining what matters. Open real-time and debug view to watch events as you trigger them. This confirms correct installation. Create custom events or modify recommended ones, then mark important events as conversions so you can measure goals. Finally, link other tools like Search Console if needed. If you see no data, check the measurement ID, tag placement before /head, browser extensions, or consent banners that block scripts. This single check fixes most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.